welcome back. Happy 2018. As you guys know, I got a new hair color. I got a brand new hair color. I decided to, not really decided to go blonde because my intentions were not to get this color. I have a really interesting story to tell you guys how I went from this color to this and how I maintain blonde hair now since I have it. So yeah, so if you guys want to know more about, you know, the whole chisme, the whole story time, what products I use for my hair, then I suggest you guys stick around. Okay guys, so first of all, let's put the disclaimer out there, guys. I always do. I'm not a professional hair stylist or anything like that, okay? What I did to my hair, I did it to my hair knowing the consequences that I was gonna go through. You know what I mean? So everything I put on my hair, I did it for myself, guys. Like I always said in all my videos that I do my hair. If I mess up my hair, if I burn my hair, if I cut my hair, whatever, it's on me, you know? I don't want nobody else messing it up for me. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna try this out, and if it works, it works, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. You know what I mean? So yeah, guys, so the things that I use, I'm not saying it's gonna work for you guys. Everybody's hair is different, you know, depending on the texture of your hair, how healthy your hair is, or anything like that. So if you guys want to try any of the things that I tried, it's at your own risk. It might work, it might not, who knows, guys. But I'm just letting you guys know right now. What I was trying to do is I was trying to change my hair color, because I had it a magenta. I had it like magenta, pink magenta. I'm gonna put a picture right here so you guys could see the hair color that I had before. It was already faded. The two colors that I was using on my hair was the L'Oreal High color, and I was using Pravana's hair color, and those two colors last for a long freaking time. L'Oreal High color bleaches your hair, so it could give you that, intensity of, you know, of the bright hair, of the bright orange, of the bright pink hair, bright red hair. So yeah, guys, so those colors are very hard to remove. I already know that. And also Pravana too. I've used Pravana in the past. As if you guys already know, the colors that I've used are pink and all that, blues and all those colors. I've used them. They last for a long freaking time. Like, they're very hard to wash out, you know. So yeah, so my hair was already faded, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna remove this color, and I'm just gonna try a fiery, like an orange red. I did a bleach wash first, and I did get a kind of like a rose gold color. So that's when I kind of started noticing, like, oh shit, you know, like my hair is blonde. And of course, guys, I did bleach my hair like a year ago, so I could do it like kind of like, you know, like a turquoise color. So I did bleach it. So with the bleach wash, you know, the blonde was already standing out, but it had a very slight like rose gold color to it. I was even thinking about doing rose gold. So anyways, upon doing that, I was like, you know what, I want this to you know, to fully, like, I want to find something that's gonna remove the pink tint to my freaking color, like to my hair. So I did my research, and I came upon Pravana's hair extraction conditioner and shampoo. Okay, I've heard so many good things about it, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try it out. I bought it on Amazon. And I put that on my hair. Okay, guys, so this is my hair. This is the current hair this is the current color that I have right now, which is a brassy, kind of like a rose gold nasty ass color. And I'm gonna be trying on the Pravana color extractor. I'm gonna be putting that on my hair right now, the shampoo, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how it looks. So let's do it. I do have red still, like magenta. I have it. So let me tell you guys, with that thing smells so bad. It smells like Nair, like the Nair, like the hair remover lotion. It smells exactly like that. Okay, so I put that on my hair. I have footage right here of when I added that to my hair. First, you're supposed to shampoo your hair, and that's supposed to kind of like remove some color. And then the next thing is you're supposed to leave the treatment in your hair for some time, at least like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever. And then, you know, you're supposed to wash your hair. Once I use a Pravana shampoo, let me tell you guys, my hair was so dry. It felt really dry. Like, it felt super freaking dry. But I'm like, you know what, I don't care. I just want this hair color to come out. So then I put the treatment on my hair, and that smelled so bad. Like, it stank. so freaking bad. So I put it on my hair. Once I washed my hair out, and I was still kind of seeing like orangey spots. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna do it again. So with that hair extractor, guys, you could do it like at least twice. You know, it's really up to you. It's at your own risk how many times you want to do it. So I did it twice, and I have footage here of when I did it the second time. So this is how my hair looks like after the first wash. You guys could see it's blonde, but I have like faded as pink, that's making it look rose gold. I don't know why I have like some almost white blonde parts in my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do another round of that on my hair. It smells really bad. It smells like Nair. To me, it smells like Nair. A lot of people say that it smells like rotten eggs. It don't smell like rotten eggs. It smells like Nair. Like that same exact smell. That's how this smells. But it works. As you guys could see, the bottom is very light. And I have faded ass freaking color. So what I'm gonna do is do another round, and we'll see how light it comes out, and I'll check in with you guys. Okay, so this is after the second wash, and the second wash, about the second application that I put on my hair. This is how it looks like. I actually toned the blonde, but I was asking, or like, I was asking one of my friends, and I told her, I'm like, you know what, I want to go for this. Like, I want to kind of go for this. She's a professional hairstylist. She works at a salon, so she kind of guided me through, like, okay, you know, buy this and buy that and all this. So I did. So for my roots, guys, for the roots, I use the light brown color from Wella. I'm gonna put a picture of it right here. That's what I use right here. So that's the first thing that I had applied on my hair, was the Wella. And you gotta be very careful because it's a dark color, and since you have blonde, you just gotta be super careful because you don't want that to stain the blonde, and it's just gonna get nasty. So, you know, that's what I added. I kind of started panicking once I saw, you know, some of the like light brown kind of like staining my blonde. I'm like, oh hell no. So I washed it. I believe I left it on my hair for like 10 minutes, and then I washed it. And then what I did was tone the blonde. So of course I used the Wella, I think T20, I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna show you guys here the toners that I use. Now to maintain my hair, guys, you do need purple shampoo, you know, because that's gonna get rid of the brassiness in your hair. I heard that along the way, blonde hair starts getting yellow, starts getting brassy, so you need a purple shampoo. I did my research and I came across the holy grail. I believe this shampoo right here is like the mother of all mothers, like of all purple shampoos, guys. And I'm talking about the Fanola No Yellow shampoo. This, guys, oh my god, it's like a miracle in a bottle. If you have nasty ass yellow hair color, brassiness, once you put this on your hair is like toned. This tones your hair. It's crazy how freaking purple, like how purple this bottle, I mean this shampoo is. It will stain your hands, but it's not like a really bad stain, like, oh my god, you're gonna have your hands stained for like ever. No, this one's it does stain your hands, but it's not that bad. But yeah, this works so good, guys. You guys have no idea. I used this on my sister, and I used it on my hair, and I'm gonna put it right here so you guys could see the before and after. And it works so freaking wonders. This has become my holy grail. And yeah, guys, I got this on Amazon. I believe I paid like 40 bucks, because yeah, they have a small bottle and they have a big bottle. I believe this is the biggest one, so I had to get the biggest one. But yeah, this is what I've been using on my hair now. The first time that I used it, guys, it made the lighter blondes on my hair, it made them like a silver, like a white blonde almost. But yeah, guys, so this works so good. So if you have blonde hair, I would suggest you guys get this shampoo. This is the best purple shampoo out there. Like, you guys have no idea. Best purple shampoo. So since I bought the pack, the conditioner, I mean the shampoo conditioner, this is their NutriCare right here. And this is the Fanola NutriCare restructuring leave-in conditioner. So yeah, so basically after you wash your hair, oh, let me tell you guys, yeah, this is not drying at all. It's not drying. This does smell. The smell's very strong, but it's not that bad. Like, it's not that bad. So yeah, so this one, you know, you just leave it after. You don't even have to rinse it, and it's supposed to help your hair, like, you know, it's supposed to give it what it needs. As far as like vitamins, moisturizing, and all this. So yeah, guys, so this is what I use after I shampoo my hair. A lot of people mix this with conditioner when they wash their hair. You guys could also do that too, but I use this by itself. But yeah, guys, so these two things have become my holy grail for my hair, how I maintain my hair. So I use the fanola conditioner and the fanola shampoo and the fanola conditioner right here. That's what basically, you know, that's what basically I use now for my hair. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, make sure you guys let me know. Also leave you guys' comments below and I'll read them. I'll get back to you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe. And for my new freaking subscribers, thank you guys so much for joining me throughout my journey. Thank you guys so freaking much. But yeah, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, turn on your notifications so you guys know when I go live. And thank you guys so much for joining me, and happy 2018, guys. So let's do this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.